Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take 108 megapixel ultra resolution photos on your HONOR Magic8 Lite. In order to do it, you will need to simply open the camera. Then, because it's not yet done, because typically photos are taken in a lowered resolution. So what it means is if your camera supports 108 megapixels, because it does, you can even see that here, then when you take that photo, it'll typically be like 12 megapixels or 15 megapixels, typically 12 I'd say, maybe 16, depends on the phone. I'm not really sure what the resolution is here. I'll try to find that out in a moment. But when you zoom in, even if it uses the same lens on your phone, the zoomed in photo will still be 12 megapixels because the camera has enough megapixels to be able to do that. So that's how it works. But maybe sometimes you may want to take a ultra resolution photo so you can zoom it in later after taking it. And in order to do it, you will need to find all the different hold on a second because I accidentally pressed and held here. You will need to find the option, well, there should be more. Yeah, there's more. You can see as you scroll, there's more. And now you should be able to find high res. Now, when you take that photo, it's going to utilize all of the 108 megapixels. So after it's taken, you can simply zoom in and you'll see the full resolution, although I do not see it. Now I see it. Yeah, now it's done. So like the photo was taken in the full resolution. I guess. I hope so. Hold on a second because there's like so many things going on here. Yeah, okay, yeah. When you go to the photo, click on the eye in top right corner, you can see it has 9,000 by 12,000 pixels, which multiplied gives you 108 million pixels, which is 108 megapixels. Now, as I said, I'll also try to find out what normal pictures are taken in, what resolution, and that will be 3,000 by 4,000, which is 12 million, which is 12 megapixels. That's exactly 4K. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.